goes into a budget. Every budget has two sides, income and expenses. That's it. On the income side, write down every way you expect money to come in. That could be grants, ticket sales, donations, merchandise or workshop fees, sponsorships, or in-kind support. On the expense side, list everything you'll need to spend money on. That usually includes artist and staff pay, venue or tech rentals, costumes, sets or supplies, marketing and outreach, access costs, insurance or admin expenses. When you lay income and expenses side by side, you see your net, whether you're planning a profit or a loss. The goal is to be as detailed and realistic as you can. Don't just budget the fun stuff like costume and sets. Include staff time, admin, and access, because those are costs too. Why does it matter? Because the detail helps you see the bigger picture. Are you depending too much on one income stream, like a single grant? Are venue costs eating up more than they should? Are you constantly moving things back and forth just to make the numbers fit? A budget isn't about guessing perfectly. It's about giving yourself the clearest possible roadmap so you can understand how the money will move and make stronger choices along the way.